Welcome everyone, and thank you for watching. We're going to make one of my favorite soups today, and it's made with dried bok choy. Now it has lots of health benefits because we've added many different ingredients in the soup. We dry our own organically grown bok choy from our backyard. You can also buy dried bok choy at the Chinese supermarkets. I love growing bok choy in my backyard because it's so tasty and nutritious. If you don't finish eating it during the season, you can sun-dry it like I do and save it to make soup for the winter. It is delicious and warming during the cold season. Whether you're using your own sun-dried bok choy or the ones you purchase at the supermarket, you will need to immerse it in water to rehydrate it. We're also going to be using a lot of different Chinese herbal ingredients in the soup. Dried tangerine peel is one of them that has many health benefits. Please check out the description below for more information. We are using pork marrow bone today to make the broth, but you can also use pork neck, pork chop, or pork loin to make the soup broth. When you're using pork to make a broth, it's always a good idea to give it a quick blanch. Use a skimmer to skim off any fatty debris or oils that are floating on top. Once the water comes to a boil, you're going to rinse the bones in cool water and then put it back into the clean soup pot and add water to make your broth. You will need to rinse your rehydrated bok choy and squeeze off any excess water. This is important especially if you're purchasing your bok choy from the supermarkets. Line up the bok choy and cut it into 1-inch pieces. This is really important because we will be eating the bok choy. Add the bok choy to the soup pot. Add the rest of the dry ingredients to the soup pot. Add the rehydrated tangerine peels to the soup pot. Make sure you have enough water so that all the pork is submerged in water. Put the lid on and bring it to a boil. Then turn it to low-medium and simmer for 2 hours. The soup is ready when the bok choy softens. Use a skimmer to remove any fatty oils that are floating on top. See the link in the description below. Add salt to suit your own taste. We drink the soup and eat the contents. You can dip the pork meat in soy sauce and eat it, and also scoop up the marrow from the pork bones. I can honestly tell you that this is one of my favorite soups to make and drink. It is so tasty and delicious, packed with nutrition. It is especially warming during the cold winter months here in Canada. Please remember to like, share, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.